Greetings, friends. Taylor here. Doing a simple, short little video. Oh, I kind of ruined it, didn't I? Simple, short little video. I saw this thing on Woot, and it looked interesting, so I bought it. This is, you can tell here, we got an Amazon Basics surge protector, but it's like this weird vertical one. I thought that was kind of cool. Let's see what's in here. There we go. See, had the knife handy today. Is this even really... Let's do that. Is this really even video worthy? Ooh, here we go. We got, this. Oh, this thing is actually kind of heavy. Interesting. Which is weird. It doesn't feel heavy in the box, but getting it out of the box... Oh, good God. Look at this monstrosity. This is obviously instructions. Who needs that, right? Okay, here we go. This is the star of the show, other than yours truly. I just want to see this thing out of the wrapping. I believe it said this is like a 10-plug surge protector. And it just looks really weird and interesting. I thought it'd be cool to put next to my computer, right? Oh, here we go. All right. Got ourselves our little, Ooh, that's got a nice click to it. That's obviously the power. I'm not sure which is the on and off position. Got ourselves, looks like 2 USB-A's and a USB-C. 3 plugs. 3 plugs. 3 plugs. I said there were 10. Where's 10? Alright, I guess these things count as 10. So, well, whatever. Short, weird little video. I'm Taylor. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, etc. Farewell, friends.